हाँ, the great stone face 1. Seen from a distance, hilltops and huge rocks seem to assume various shapes. They may resemble an animal or a human figure. People attribute stories to these shapes. Some stories come true, others don't. The great stone face is one such shape that reminds the inhabitants of a valley of a prophecy. Okay, but what was it? Did it come true? So it's a valley of a prophecy. Prophecy माने कौन? जी आगुआ कहे, हाँ? अच्छा, valley of a prophecy. Okay. One afternoon, when the sun was going down, a mother and her little boy sat at the door of their cottage, talking about the great stone face. They had only to lift their eyes, and there it was. ସେମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋନ୍ ଫେସ୍ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଟୁ ବି ସିନ୍ ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା ପୁରା ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଦୋ ମାଇଲ୍ସ ଆୱେ with the sunshine brightening all its features ହେଲା sunshine ତାପରେ ପଡିଛି and what was the great stone face? The great stone face was a work of nature formed on the perpendicular side of a mountain by some Hey, go. The great stone face was a work of nature formed on the perpendicular side of a mountain by some immense rocks, okay, which had been thrown together so that when viewed at a proper distance they resembled the features of a human face. So it is the great stone face was a work of nature formed on the perpendicular side of a mountain by some immense rocks guda sabu achi which had been thrown together so that they when viewed at a proper distance they seem the features of a human face. If the spectator approached too near jodi bahut pakku jibo he lost the outline of the enormous face tapare se outline ta भूली जीवो हैला याव तुम पाइबोनी ता फेस ता जणा पड़िबोनी एंड कुड सी ओनली ए हीप ऑफ जाइगेंटिक रॉक्स बड़ बड़ खाली तुमको रॉक्स देखा जीवो पाइल्ड माने थुआ हिची ना गोटे पर गोटे पाइल्ड वन अपन अनदर कोटा जो रॉक्स गुड़ा बट सीन फ्रॉम ए डिस्टेंस द क्लाउड्स क्लस्टरिंग अबाउट इट हैला clouds clustering about it tapare cloud thila bele the great stone face seemed positively to be alive. It was the belief of many people that the valley owed much of its fertility to the benign face ei face upare okay benign kind gentle face hela its माने यार फर्टिलिटी जगार कहीं चाष होते भल ओके बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बेनाइन फेस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट काइंड फेस दैट वाज कंटिन्यूअली बीमिंग ओवर इट ओके बीमिंग ओवर इट माने कंटिन्यूअली दैट इज लुकिंग एट दिस ओके लुकिंग एट दैट प्लेस ए मदर एंड हर लिटिल बॉय as we said earlier sat at the door of their cottage. Seven बसचंदी gazing at the great stone face and talking about it. The child's name was Ernest. And पिलर ना कौन Ernest mother से कहला कि child said he while the great face smiled on him. ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ କହିଲା कि ପିଲାଟା କଣ କହିଲା mother I wish that it could speak for it looks so very kindly and its voice must indeed be pleasant. माने एटा को देखि को जे एते काइंडली जणा पड़ुची से भी ता वॉइस प्लेजेंट हेतिबो. If I ever see a man with such a face, I should love him very much. Because he गोटे काइंड हार्टेड मैन हेतिबो मु एमते गोटे लोक देखिले मते ताकू भल लागियो. If an old prophecy should come to pass, okay, answered his mother, we may see a man sometime, okay, with exactly such a face as that. What prophecy? एटी से कहला, if an old prophecy should come to pass, जदि गोटे old prophecy जो अच्छी हमर जो कहावत अच्छी जदि एटा actually हबो, ताहले we may see a man sometime, जो गोटे लोकटे देखिबा with exactly such a face as that. ए भलिया गोटे face थाइकरी गोटे लोक निश्चित जन्म हबो. What prophecy do you mean, dear mother? से पिलाटा कहला कोन prophecy? Prophecy कोन? Eagerly inquired Ernest. Ernest कहला, please tell me about it. So his mother told him a story that her own mother had told her. माने ता माँ को ता माँ कहतला. Okay. When she herself was a younger than little Ernest. माने अर्नेस्ट रु छोटो थिला बेले भी से ताको सुनिथिला. That at some future day a child should be born. गोटे छुआटे जन्म हबो near here ए जगह रे, who was destined to become the greatest and noblest person of this time, of his time. से ता टाइम रो बड़ लोक होई बाहरिबो. Okay, and whose face in manhood should bear an exact resemblance to the great stone face. So whose face in manhood, man हिसाब रे हला, would bear the exact resemblance, पूरा समान मेल खाई जो ता संगे रे, to the great stone face. Many still had faith in this old prophecy. The old prophecy हला is saying ऊपर many has a faith, but others look it to be nothing but idle talk. He के idle talk. And at all events, the great man of the prophecy, so ये जो कहावत अच्छी जो great man बाहरिबो, had not yet appeared. ये कौन तो बाहर है, Oh mother, cried Ernest, clapping his hands above his head. Okay, so ताली बजेगा. अच्छा, I do hope that I shall live to see him. मुँह देखी ताको, I shall live to see him. His mother was an affectionate and thoughtful woman. It was proper, she thought, not to discourage the fanciful hopes of her little boy. से कहला मु ताको कहीं discourage करी बोली भाबिला ता mother. So she said to him, perhaps you may, तू देखियो, हैला. And Ernest never forgot the story that his mother told him. It was always in his mind whenever he looked upon the great stone face. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲା ସବୁବେଳେ ତା ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ରେ କଥା ଆସିଲା. He spent his childhood in the love cottage, where he was born. କାଠ କୁଡିଆ, ବୁଝିଲା, was dutiful to his mother. The mother ଯାହା କହେ ସେ करे, dutifully to his mother and helpful to her in many things. Okay, helpful to her in many things, assisting her much with his little hands and more with his loving heart. Okay, तेणु से ता माँ को help करे. In this manner, from a happy yet often pensive child. Okay, so from a happy yet often pensive child, pensive काम करे, he grew up. Okay, happy थिला किंतु काम करे. He grew up to be pensive. Pensive टा किंतु thoughtful, है ना, thoughtful. ओ एक कथा टा भी भाबे से, जो ये pensive child, happy yet often pensive. Often pensive माने thoughtful child, he grew up to be a mild and a quiet youth. Okay, so गोटे youth हे गला में, हाँ? पूरा गोटे youth हे गला, हाँ? Ernest had no teacher, but the Gladstone face became one to him. So he became one teacher to him. तापाई गोटे teacher. When the work of the day was over, he would gaze at it for hours. देखिबो, हाँ? Until he began to imagine that those vast features recognized him. Okay, until he began to imagine that those vast features recognized him. से को बंद छिड़ा हबो जो पर्यंत से भाबिबो जे हैला से भी ताकू रिकॉग्नाइज कला के से वर्ल्ड है जो हेड्स ग्लेडस्टोन फेस एंड गेव हिम ए स्माइल ऑफ काइंडनेस एंड एनकरेजमेंट. सो से जेतले भाबिबो जे से मते एनकरेज करूची से पर्यंत से छिड़ा हबो. अबाउट दिस टाइम there went a rumor about this time सेतेबेले गोटे rumor चलला throughout the valley that the great man who was to bear a resemblance to the great stone face had appeared in at last. समस्त कहले. It seems that many years before a young man had left the valley and settled at a distance seaport. Okay, से सेठी सेटल हो जाइला. सेटल एट ए डिस्टेंस सीपोर्ट. पूरे सीपोर्ट रे से रहिगिरी कोन करथला हैला गादरफोर्ड कोन गादरगोल्ड से जगहटा ना सीपोर्ट टा ना व्हिच वाज हिज नेम. सॉरी मो सॉरी एटा फुल स्टॉप एट सरला सीपोर्ट टा सॉरी जाई छे. गादरगोल्ड हला लोकटा ना हैं. Gathergold, which was his name, had set up as a shopkeeper, had set up as a shopkeeper and being sharp in his business matters, had become so very rich. बहुत sharp था business रे, so rich that it would have taken him 100 years, only to count his wealth. Okay. से रिच हो गला जे एकुटिया से गणिले हैं ताको 100 वर्ष लागयो हैला. इन टाइम ही थॉट ऑफ हिज नेटिव वैली. ओके, इन टाइम हैं से समय एमते हला से तार नेटिव वैली विषय रे जानिला and decided to go back there. सेठी गला and end his days where he had been born and end his days. ता जगह रे हेट मरियो बोली से डिसाइड कला. Ernest had been had been deeply stirred by the idea that the great man, the noble man, the man of prophecy, after so many ages of delay, was at length माने कौन शेषरे to be seen in his native valley. While the boy was still gazing up the valley, one day and imagining that, okay, so सबुदिन online, one day and imagining that the great stone face returned his gaze, the noise of wheels was heard. So अनेजी सेतेबेले हैला चक्क शब्द सुबिला कोनडा आइला गाडीटे and a crowd of people cried, here comes the great हैला Mr. Gathergold. A carriage drawn by 4 horses हैला गोटे घोड़ा गाड़ी dashed round the turn of the road. आसला पछे आसला dashed round the turn of the road. Within it, thrust partly out of the window. Within it, कौन कहला thrust partly out of the window किछि बाहर जी thrust माने टिके ना बाहर जी हैं partly out of the window appeared the face of an old man with yellow skin. The very image of the great stone face shouted the people. People कहले इटा तो पूरा मैच होची very image. अच्छा sure enough the old prophecy is true. Here we have the great man at last. So लोग को कहले आउ. And what greatly puzzled Ernest, they seemed actually to believe that here was the likeness which they spoke of. ସେମାନେ କଣ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି likeness ମାନେ ତା ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି. He turned away sadly from the wrinkled shrewdness of that unpleasant face. Okay, କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ଭୁଲିଗଲା. ସିଏ ଦେଖିକିରି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା. Shrewdness of that unpleasant face, wrinkled ଆଉ shrewdness ସେ ବି shrewdness ପାଇଲା ତା ଭିତରେ unpleasant ପାଇଲା ସେ ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲାନି and gazed up the valley କିନ୍ତୁ ହିଆଡେ ନ ଚାହିଁକିରି ସେ valley ଆଡେ ଚାହିଁଲା where the stone face seemed to say he will come fear not Ernest the man will come ସେ ଗଲା ନାଇଁ ସେ ଆସିନି ସେ ଆସିବ ହେଲା ସରିଯିବ ଗୋଟେ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ହଉ ଦେଖ the years went on and Ernest grew to be a young man. He attracted little notice from the inhabitants of the valley. He attracted little notice. He attracted little notice. माने ताकू के देख माने इते ये करंती नहीं हैला inhabitants माने सेठिकार लोक माने इते ताकू ये करंती नहीं कौन दियंती नहीं हाँ हैला माने प्राधान्य दियंती नहीं इते इम्पोर्टेंस दियंती नहीं they saw nothing remarkable in his way of life except that when the labor of the day was over he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face okay से सबले great stone face को देखा बुझला अच्छा their idea was that this was a folly but pardonable because Ernest was industrious kind and neighborly okay से सबले जो अनाए ताकू भी लोगों that their idea was that this was a folly okay but pardonable माने से सबले जो काम सरला परे जो देखे pardonable कहने क्षमणीय because Ernest was industrious कहना Ernest बहुत काम करे बुझ पालो kind and neighborly हैला से भलो लोकटा थाए तो हैला ताको लोक एटा को से जो देखे बसिगिरी एति ताको माइंड करंदी they did not know that a great stone face had become a teacher to him हैला से माने भी के लोक काई जानिबे से great stone face to कोन पाउची but he is getting many things from the great stone teacher was getting and that the sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart ତେଣୁ ସେ ଏଥିରୁ କଣ ପାଉଛି ଲୋକ ବୁଝନ୍ତିନି and they feel it with deeper sympathies than other hearts acha they did not know that from this would come a better wisdom than could be learned from the books books ରୁ ବି ଏମିତିଆ wisdom ମିଳିବନି କି ଲୋକ ବି ଜାଣି ପାରିବେ ମାନେ ହେଲା neither did Ernest know that the thoughts which came to him so naturally in the fields and at the fireside were of a higher tone than those which all men shared with him हैला सी जोटा जो थॉट्स ता पाखु आसे फील्ड रे हो कि हैला फायर साइड पाखरे हो से सेटा टिके कौन हुए कौन कहला हायर टोन वेयर ऑफ हायर टोन than those which all men shared with him ହେଲା अच्छा a simple soul simple as when his mother first told him the old story huh? He beheld the marvelous face looking down the valley and still wondered why its human likeness was so long in coming. See it dekhe iti a simple soul, simple as when his mother told him the old story. So simple soul, he beheld the marvelous face looking down the valley. So से ताको देखे से जो ग्रेट स्टोन फेस को देखे से केमिदी भैली को अनेछि एंड स्टिल वंडर पुन भावे जे व्हाई इट्स ह्यूमन लाइकनेस काहे ता भले गोटे लोक आसुनी वाज सो लॉन्ग इन कमिंग काहे एते देरी करूछि बाय दिस टाइम पुअर मिस्टर गादरगोल्ड वाज डेड एंड बरीड हिज वेल्थ व्हिच वाज द बॉडी एंड स्पिरिट ऑफ हिज एक्जिस्टेंस माने एक्चुअली तार वेल्थ ता हला मेन तारी जोगु सबु लोक एमते होतले व्हिच वाज द बॉडी एंड स्पिरिट ऑफ हिज एक्जिस्टेंस बुझ पेलो had disappeared before his death since the melting away of his gold it had been generally agreed that there is no great likeness after all between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon the mountain. से तार पैसा से सरी जाला disappear had disappeared before his death तापर लोक since the melting away of his gold पैसा जते बेले उभे गला पैसा न रहला it had been generally agreed that there was no great likeness आउ से माने से दिजन कोडा ग्रेट फेस स्टोन आउ से जो गादर गोल्ड माने समान न बुझबेलो no great likeness after all between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon the mountain लोकंकर बिलीव हे बळा हे कारण पैसा थिला बेले लोक ताको ये करथले पैसा नै तो हला अच्छा it so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier many years before hela au gote after a great deal of hard fighting he was now a famous commander he was known on the battlefield by the name of blood and thunder tana dia heji kono blood and thunder old and tired now he had lately expressed a desire to return to his native valley ebe he has lately expressed lately mane it lately mane kono recently expressed a desire to return to his native valley the inhabitants his old neighbors तार जो माने पुराना सब थिले साथी तार पड़ोसी and their grown up children hela eman so prepared to welcome the renowned commander it was being said that at last the likeness of the great stone face had actually appeared se puni asiyala great therefore was the excitement throughout the valley hela valley and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the old great stone face now spend much time in gazing at it सब देखिले देखिया ता मुह को देखिबा आ स्टोन को देखिबा हैला for the sake of knowing exactly how general blood and the thunder look से किम देखा जाउजी बोली लोक देखे आगुर देखु नथिले से ग्रेट स्टोन एगो खाली मैच करिया को देखिले On the day of the general's arrival, Ernest and all the other people of the valley left their work and proceeded to spot, देखिए, where a great banquet had been, proceeded to the spot माने को जगह को, where a great banquet, great banquet feast banquet कौन feast had been prepared ହେଲା soldiers stood on guard soldiers माने थिले flags waved and flags भी थिला and the crowd roared Ernest was standing too far back बहुत दूर से ठिड़ा ହେଇଥିଲା to see blood and thunder's face ତା face ଟା ଦେଖିବ ବୋଲି however he could hear several voices okay कौन voices माने कहउछनी एଠି लिखा है it's the same face exactly cried one man dancing for joy okay se puni कहउछि wonderfully like that is a fact replied others ଆଉ ଜଣେ कहउछि wonderfully like that is a fact एटा ठीक कथा and why not ଆଉ ଜଣେ कहउछि he is the greatest man of this or my of this and any other age beyond doubt ଆଉ ଜଣେ कहउछि honest at last could could see the general's face se dekhila and in the same glance hala to the side hala he could also see that Gladstone face se भी Gladstone face को dekhila if there was such a likeness as the crowd proclaimed Ernest could not recognize it Ernest किंतु सेती जिनस देखि पारला हा माने एते तो से लोक कहउछन जे अछि ता संगे मैच खाउछि हला से किंतु फील करता fear not Ernest कोन से सुनिला ए गीतटा से his heart ता निज हार्ट कहला fear not Ernest as if the Gladstone face was whispering to him बुझिबल fear not Ernest he will come so माने ए कथा जन से कहउछ के ग्रेट हार्ट आउ ताकू ए कथा के बतौछि ना Gladstone whispering him बुझबा हार्ट कहउछि the fear not Ernest he will come ता माने ताकू भलो लागिला नाही से लोकर फेस ता भी से ये कोन